I saw your little doggies over here. Okay, so I have to talk about the dogs because I love all the work that you do. Yeah. We talked about philanthropy, right? Yeah. So how many dogs do you have, first of all? 7. We're at 7. Okay.
But normally they would be running around, but they would be jumping up here and everything. So we have like a nice big run down there where if I'm working, I mean, I've got a Samoyed that's twice the size of me. So, you know, I've got a Cocker Spaniel that sometimes will howl his heart out if I don't just, you know, like give him 24 hours attention. But luckily I wouldn't employ anybody that isn't a dog lover in my house. So everybody's as obsessed with them as
I'm sure. I just was, when we first came, I see the little ones running over and I was like, they are so stinking cute.
But I have to be really careful with them because of hawks up here. So so like even though they're in that run now, it has a lid on the top, you know, a mesh lid because hawks could take those little guys. They're weighing in now.
They're so cute. They know. They're like, Mom, I'm over here.
Oh, right. As a celebrity, you're so fortunate in so many aspects of life, of what you get given to you and the access you have and how, I mean, of course, a lot of it's hard work and there are negative things as well. But I believe it's almost incumbent upon celebrity to choose something to support because you can really draw attention to so many things. So for me, it was creating my own charity, the Vanderpump Dog Foundation, with my husband and my daughter. And it's been a great success because it was about making rescue have this real feel-good factor to it. So I think a lot of people, and listen, I love every dog. I've never met a dog I don't like. And there are no bad dogs, they're just bad owners. So for me, to be able to save these furry people, that's what they are. They're furry people. They are so smart. They understand so much. My Samoyed, if I even go, you, like, and I point at him, he knows he's in trouble. He knows. Like, because, like, sometimes he's, like, picked up a couple of the little ones, you know, playing, like, literally by their scruff. And I'm like, you can't have to do that. You know, he knows if I even look at him. They are so smart and they're so wonderful. So in the Vanderpump Dog Foundation, it's, you know, it's obviously that all dogs are safe there. So people come in, they can play with them, they can foster them, they can look after them, they can interact with them. They're all in living rooms, apart from when they go into isolation when we first get them to make sure they're healthy, spay and neuter normally and sort them out. A lot of them are in bad shape when we get them.
Yeah, and you have a, wait, I want to hear, do you say gala or gala?
Gala.
Gala, that's what I said. I know she has to say gala. Okay, I never know. Okay, but you do have a gala, right?
Yeah, we have a gala coming up and, you know, I'm a working woman. I do as much as I can to support it, but we rely a lot on donations and people getting involved. And the gala will often finance, support the Dog Foundation because it's very expensive. Even spaying and neutering, and we have international initiatives. We still have a sanctuary in China because we pulled so many dogs off the meat truck. Yeah. So that and everything we've done there, it's expensive to. I didn't say it's expensive to be me. It's expensive to run a charity.
Yes, exactly. We're going to be donating some stuff to the gala. Yeah, because we're really excited.
We'll take anything we get. Sometimes we'll even have like a $1 day or every dollar makes a difference.
Yeah, we're really big dog lovers at IPSY. When we were in office like full time, we had so many dogs, so many different dogs running around. They were so cute.
And it's the feel-good factor that they bring.
I was going to ask you, but the dollar day, I was going to say, if people want to get involved.
Vanderpump Dogs, Vanderpump,
do they go online?
Just go onto our website and you'll see everything.
Plenty of ways to get involved.
Are you hitting